In this video, I share with you all my tips for reheating a rotisserie chicken in the microwave without drying it out. Hi, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of how-to cooking videos and healthier family meals so you can get a meal on the table quickly. And using a rotisserie chicken is a great way to save time in the kitchen. If you bought a chicken a couple of days ago and it's been sitting in the fridge, don't worry, you can keep a refrigerated rotisserie or cooked chicken in there for 3 to 4 days. You're probably wondering if the rotisserie trays are microwave safe. Now, there's been a time that most of us have used the microwave to reheat our rotisserie chicken in the plastic tray from the store. And if you're like me and have done this, hey, we're still here. The good news is that literally all trays are made from food grade plastic, number 5, which is generally considered microwave safe. You can check for that number underneath the tray. It should be listed in there. Now, if you've Googled how to reheat chicken, you've probably read that it's best to remove the meat from the bones first. Well, when you're in a hurry and you have cold chicken, this process will take twice as long. So I'm gonna show you how to do it both ways, whole and in pieces. But if you separated it from the bones and then came to this video and you just have the meat, you'll have to put that in a microwave safe dish, add half a cup of water or broth to the bottom, cover it with a lid or a paper towel and microwave it for 2 minutes, making sure to stop halfway to move the chicken pieces around for even heating. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of them on my channel for you. But if you're like me and have the whole chicken to reheat, let's place it in a microwave safe dish first. Again, because we want to work some of the moisture into the meat since the microwave is notorious for drying it out, you're gonna add a half to 3/4 of a cup of water or chicken broth to the bottom. To prevent grease splatter from the skin, I take a damp paper towel or 2 and place it on top. You're gonna microwave it for 2 full minutes, then you add thyme in 30-second increments. Once the chicken is heated through, you're good to go. So the trick to making sure that the microwave doesn't dry out your chicken is, number 1, to not reheat it for too long, and number 2, to add moisture into the dish. Because inevitably dry chicken will happen if you heat it up for too long, which is what most of us do. So if using rotisserie chicken in your recipes is your thing, hit that red subscribe button. This video is part of a rotisserie chicken series. So no matter when you find the video, check the links below for other recipes and shortcuts for you, and see you next time.